Ella has a stinky butt.
Whoa.
That's yeah, that's me.
Oh, and
That's Ella.
oh,
Dolphin head.
no mermaid.
I mean mermaid. So what are we gonna do?
Okay, well, I'm gonna go.
Okay, so we're going to the bank.
I want to get an eyeshadow thing. Let's look at this.
Let me see.
I can't even see it.
My lips are too brown. That's my mom.
Let's get a dark one.
That's Ella's mom.
Not even close.
That's Callie in the future.
Here, this one's dark.
Callie's pretty. Oh, it's a tester.